Welcome to TNA Solutions, Jack. I'm Tia, your friendly guide.
Wow, this place is impressive.
Yes, it's a completely immersive digital twin of your factory for you to explore. Why don't you try the controls out to get started?
Okay.
Whoa, watch where you're pointing that laser.
Sorry.
Are you ready? Your team is waiting.
Afternoon, Jack. Thanks for joining us.
Hey guys, you're on here early. Santos, how's Acapulco?
Hola, it's a beautiful sunny morning.
Okay, Jack, let's get started.
Sure thing.
You can walk the production line and check for any areas of improvement.
This area doesn't look like it's wide enough for vehicle access.
I think you're right. Let me measure to check a forklift fits through.
Yeah, good idea.
No, it's not quite wide enough.
You're right. I'll take a picture.
Perfect. I'll add it to the issue tracker.
Okay, Emily has something she needs to show you right away. Please join her. Oh, and mind your head.
Bonjour, Emily. Everything okay?
Bonjour, Jacques. Could you take a look at this platform, please? I'm a bit concerned.
Jack, try using the transparency tool.
Yeah, sure thing.
I think the problem is centered around the upstand for the operator screen.
Ah, yeah, I see it. Perhaps we should create a cutout in the platform?
Super. Let me make a note of that.
Thanks. It's some great collaboration, and it's all from the comfort of my office.
Yes, and do make sure you get your steps in. Real, not virtual.
Yeah, ha.
Julia has now joined, so you can discuss the changes.
Hi, Julia.
Hey, this digital model is incredible. How is it shaping up?
Yeah, we've just been looking at these latest updates. So let me walk you through the planned changes, and then we'll confirm and validate with our engineering team.
Sounds good.
All right, starting over here. Firstly,